Hi, my name is Kim Goeltom, and I'm a certified master wellness coach through the International Association of Wellness Professionals, as well as the founder of the Empowered Living for Superwomen Program. And I'm excited to be here with you today for two reasons. The first one is I have my amazing husband joining me today. Hari, welcome.
Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
And we are excited to have you here and get your perspective on healthy snacks. And that's the second reason why I'm excited to be here. We are going to be showing you how to make an incredibly easy yet yummy, because that's always a key piece, as well as nourishing snack that's going to give you lots of energy. So you guys ready to get started? So the first thing we did was we sliced our apples, pears and bananas. You get to pick what fruit you like. I call this the fruit nacho healthy snack, and you get to pick if you want it to be all apples or all bananas or apples and bananas or apples and pears. You really get to pick. Here's the great thing. Whether it's an apple, banana, or a pear, you're gonna get a lot of fiber. Fiber is great, not just for digestion, but it's also going to be really filling. Apples are incredibly good for gut health. And then, of course, bananas, they have that resistant starch. So that really helps with maintaining your blood sugar. So that's always a nice little benefit, because you don't want to have a snack where you have those highs and then you're dropping. This is going to be one of those snacks that really provides a lot of sustaining energy. And I don't know about you guys, but there's different times in the day where I just need that extra boost. Do you ever have that challenge?
I do, and I look forward to having these types of snacks.
Cool, I'm excited. So, okay, let's talk a little bit more. So we've got our sliced apples, pears, and bananas ready to go. The next thing I wanna do is I wanna just squeeze a little bit of lemon juice all over these. And here's the reason why. The lemons are gonna keep this looking really crisp and ready to go so it doesn't brown. So you can store it in the fridge for a few hours beforehand. Secondly, we're gonna drizzle either a nut butter or a seed butter all over our fruit nachos, because this is the base layer. And for today, I'm using sunflower butter, but you can use peanut butter, cashew butter, almond butter, any kind that works best for you and your family. So what you wanna do is just warm this up a little bit so that I can make it easier to drizzle. And it doesn't take that long. And you definitely want to stir while you're doing this. Now this is going to be your base layer that you're using to stick on all of the condiments that we're going to be talking about shortly. And don't worry, we're human. This doesn't have to be as pretty. It can be however you like it to be. Right, just drizzle away. And depending upon how many people are in your family will depend upon how much you want to make. Oh, it smells so good too.
Yeah.
I wish we could have smell on video these days. You would think with all the other technology we have, we would be able to smell the fragrance from cooking. Just from it being heated up, it's even a little bit more powerful. Okay. And really it's up to you for how much nut butter or seed butter that you want to add. I just drizzled on a little bit. I would say it was about between a quarter and a third of a cup that I just drizzled on. So now we're gonna do the toppings. And I know these are some of his favorite parts of the snack, because I'm a huge fan of apples. So which one do we have first?
Well, first we have our sunflower seeds. Then we have our pumpkin seeds. And one of my favorites, craisins.
So let's go ahead and drizzle on the sunflower seeds. Okay. And this is the nice thing. You can drizzle on as much as you like. On average, especially for this size, you probably want to do about a quarter cup of sunflower seeds. And then we've got the roasted, lightly salted pumpkin seeds. So I'm excited about those. Raisins. One of the things I love about sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds is they are packed with protein. That's part of what's giving you this huge energy boost when you're having this snack. So you've got the fiber that's keeping you full so you can wait till dinner time, but you also have the protein, which is going to give you more energy. And then the next thing I really like, and now everybody has heard about these, but hemp seeds. So the neat thing about this is not only does it have fiber and make it look pretty, but it also has omega-3s and omega-6s, which is great for brain health. So this is one of those essential fatty acids that really helps with creativity in addition to energy. Alrighty.
That looks so delicious.
And I think that took just a few minutes to put together. Easy peasy. I love it. And can you use the mirror just in case our viewers can't see it on an angle? I know it's one of those things where I wish we had a big overhead mirror to see. But this is such a pretty dish. You could easily put saran wrap on top of it and take a little bit out of the fridge as you like, or have it in small little containers. So you can make as much or as little as you like. Feel free to put your comments below. And if you're interested in seeing more videos and with easy recipes that are yummy as well as nourishing, then check out my YouTube channel, Creating Legacy Wellness, and subscribe today. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.